Greetings, fellow traders! My name is Zafir, and for over 5 years, I've been helping people confidently earn on financial markets.
They say that I'm on the road, maybe I just lost control. These nights keep on taking tolls, find me out here on my own.
Today, I'll show you how to use the alligator indicator to find the best entry points and achieve consistent profits. But that's not all. If you're ready to take your life to the next level, earn over $1,500 a month, and trade with ease, welcome to our team. Here you'll find accurate signals, proven strategies, and access to unique analytics tools that I'll introduce later. All this will help you succeed in trading. Links are in the description. Join us and let's get started. Settings. Starting amount $67. Time frame 1 minute. Expiration time 3 minutes. Indicator alligator. EUR/USD. The chart reveals an interesting situation. The price is stabilizing near a resistance level after a slight decline. The alligator indicator signals that an upward reversal is near. I decided to invest $67 for an upward trade. By the way, if you want to simplify your trading, copy trading might be the perfect solution. All my trades will be automatically copied to your account, allowing you to focus on other things. It's convenient, effective, and simple. Want to try? The link is in the description and waiting for you. The price moved upward as expected. The trade closed with a profit of $128. A fantastic start to the session. AUD/CHF. A downtrend is evident on this pair. The price is moving within a channel after reaching a historical high, and the alligator's jaws are confidently positioned above the price curve. This is a clear signal to sell. I'm investing $128 for a downward trade. Tired of analyzing charts on your own? Copy trading can solve that problem. Connect to my trades and watch your money work for you. It's transparent and straightforward. Click the link and start earning today. The price continued its downward movement as predicted. The trade yielded a profit of $246. It's always satisfying when everything goes according to plan. EUR/USD. The market is showing signs of a rebound after a short consolidation period. The alligator indicator confirms an upward impulse, and I'm investing $246 for an upward trade, anticipating further growth. If you want confidence in every trade, our VIP channel is your perfect choice. Up to 14 accurate signals daily, detailed explanations, and support every step of the way will help you achieve trading stability. Don't miss out, the link is in the description. The price started rising confidently, confirming the analysis. The trade closed with a profit of $472. A strong market move always motivates me to keep going. EUR/CHF. The chart shows a clear downtrend after historical high. The alligator's jaws confirms the bearish movement, position above the price. I'm investing $472 for a downward trade, following the trend. Successful trading requires precise tools and smart approach. Our VIP channel is your guide to profitable trades. Signals, analysis, strategies. It's all waiting for you. Click the link and join a winning team. The price continued its downward trend as forecasted. The trade ended with a profit of $906. This was a confident step former. EURCAD. The price has bounced off a local low and is showing strong upward movement. The alligator indicator confirms this trend, and I'm investing $906 for an upward trade. Do you know what makes trading easier? My OTC robot. It analyzes the market in seconds, combining indicators data to deliver accurate signals. Forget the complexities. Start earning effortlessly and confidently. Click the link in the description and see for yourself. The price moved upward confidently, just as expected. The trade closed with an impressive profit of $1,740, a fantastic end to the trading session. This trading session once again demonstrated how the alligator indicator helps find the best market entry points. All trades were profitable, and the deposit grew more than 25 times. If you want similar results, join our community. We will help you master proven strategies and trade with confidence. Links are in the description. Don't wait and start earning today.